Want to know how to add a counter for condition matches in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. Condition matches are important, but so are the counters. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it to your code just by a single prompt automatically. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, what we're going to do is we have this code right here. Just simply select the entire port and then select quick edit right here, since we are modifying it. Now just simply type in this prompt. Now just simply select enter, and now once I hit enter, as you can see right here, your code should change. Now just simply select keep in order to keep the code, and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications from all these videos. See you in the next one.